Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame and analyze the current trend of the price action and mark the support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events calendar for today is Tuesday, October 11th. At 11:30 am, we have medium impacting news planned for British pound related currency pairs. And at 9:30 pm, we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 11:30 pm, we have medium impacting news planned for Swiss franc related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider these events also while planning for your trade entry and exits. Let us begin our gold analysis. So I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action from the daily time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a resistance line to understand the current trend of the price action. So based on this trend line, it is very clear that the current trend of the price action is in a very strong bearish trend. Every time it tests this resistance line, we have noticed the price action to be bouncing back on the bearish side trend reversal. And previously we had considered this level, which is around 1680, to be acting as a very strong resistance and support from the past price action, because in the past we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement after testing this support level. And when we look at the current price action, it has easily broken this support level and it is in a very strong bearish trend. So on the other hand, if the price action needs to bounce back on the bullish side trend reversal, it has to break this very strong resistance level in order to take a bullish side trend reversal. So if the bullish trend reversal happens also, again we have the daily time frame resistance line over here, which it has to break in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement. And current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend for now. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action has tested the support level of 1665 and has made a little bit of bounce back. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1665, next level of support is going to be around 1647, 1616. And only when the price action breaks this support level of 1616, it will be the bearish side trend reversal in daily time frame. Till then, it is only considered as a bounce back or a retracement for the bullish trend it has made earlier. From here, it will be making a new lows for the current price action. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1680, next level of resistance is going to be around 1696 or 1700. And if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1717. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, from here we had noticed a price action to steadily bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and then after taking resistance on this resistance line from the daily time frame, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side and again to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. After retesting this resistance line, we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bearish side and to take support around the support level of 1668. And when we notice a chart pattern, it has made a double top pattern and it has retraced to the 100% level where it started its bullish side retracement, which means that we can expect a little bit of bounce back on the bullish side from this support level. So if the price action bounces back on the retracement, we can expect it to take resistance on the 4 hours time frame trend line or the resistance line. And only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect a further continuation on the bullish side retracement in 4 hours time frame. So if you want to continue trading on the bearish side, wait for the price action to bounce back from this resistance line in order to take trades on the bearish side. And if you want to take trades on the bullish side retracement, wait for the price action to break the resistance level of 1680 and this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement. Next level of resistance is going to be around 1700, which is also roughly around the neck level of the double top pattern it has made earlier. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. Here I am drawing one more support line for the hourly time frame. So currently we are noticing the price action to take support on this trend line or the support line. Wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side, or else we can expect the price action to retest on the higher time frame resistance level of 1680, and only when the price action breaks this resistance line we can expect it to retest on the 4 hours time frame trend line or the resistance line. So currently we are noticing the price action to be trading within the resistance level of 1672 and the support level of 1665. So wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1672 in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement. Next level of resistance is going to be around 1680, 1686, 1702, 1717 and 1729. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1665, next level of support is going to be around 1659, 1646 and 1640. And since the price action has completed its double top pattern, we can expect little bit of retracement to take place. But still it will not be a bullish trend reversal, it is only a bullish side retracement. And this whole area between 1672 to 1659 is going to be acting as a very strong support and resistance zone for the current price action in hourly time frame. So if the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it was in a very strong bearish trend and it has taken support on the hourly time frame trend line or the support line, and we are noticing a little bit of bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And we know from the hourly time frame that this area between 1659 to 1672 is acting as a very strong resistance zone and the support zone. So if the price action needs to continue further on the bearish trend, it has to break the support level of 1658 in order to fall further on the bearish side trend reversal. And if the price action needs to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, it has to break the resistance level of 1672. Next level of resistance from the daily time frame is going to be around 1680. So currently the price action is trying to break the resistance level of 1669, and if the bullish trend continues, next level of resistance is going to be around 1672, 1674, 1680, 1687, 1698 and 1613. And if the price action bounces back from the resistance level of 1672, next level of support is going to be around 1661, 1659, 1651, which means that it will be breaking the support zone from the hourly time frame also. So we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame, it was on a very strong bearish trend and it bounced back on the bullish side retracement, but it couldn't manage to break the resistance level of 1672. We have noticed it to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. Currently we are noticing the price action to again bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1672 in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement. And next level of resistance is going to be around 1680. And if the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to retest on the 4 hours time frame trend line or the resistance line. And only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement in 15 minutes time frame also. So these are all the very strong resistance levels for the current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1667 and resistance level of 1672. Wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1672, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1675, 1678, 1680, 1684, 1688 and 1694. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1667, next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1659. And if the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a bearish trend reversal to continue in 15 minutes time frame also. So that's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.